Watch how easy it is to create thumbnails with Vidiq. So if you've got Vidiq installed on your laptop, you just go down to get AI generated thumbnails. Wait for it to do its thing. So this one here, I always check what's on there. Can you see the misspelling? So I can cover that and download it so it goes to my laptop's downloads. So if I do that, and then I'll take a look at some more, see what it generates. Sometimes this takes 2 or 3 attempts. Sometimes I download the information and add an image of myself to add a bit of expression in there. So let's see what the third one comes up with. So far this has taken me just a couple of minutes. So if I go into here, tap on there, I can select a different font. I think that looks more dynamic. That does not look like an iPhone. So I'll generate some more. I'd say normally it's about the 3rd attempt to get another decent thumbnail. This is, as said, there you go, look, there's one. So I can do this, I can go iPhone. Can move it round, you can change the colour of the font. You do find you notice the thumbnails that have been created by other YouTubers using Vidiq. So I'll download that. So do you notice there's 3 hands on there? You have to watch out for that as well. So I might grab somebody's attention. So that's, I want that bigger so that if somebody's looking from a distance, auto fill. So just proofread that, download it. So you can see there, you can look at them in the location, you can do things like this. So if you found value in this, it's just a quick video. If you found value in this, please like and subscribe. There's a link in the description for Vidiq if you're interested.